You want to start from beginning?
Oh, mobile.
Hi guys, it's your girl. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. If today is your first time of coming across my channel, please don't forget to subscribe, to like, and to comment below. Turn up the notification bell so that anytime I upload a video, you will be the first to be alerted. But guys, don't forget to share the video. I bring out what is happening on social media. I bring it here for us to watch. So guys, I want to say a big thank you to my returning subscribers, and for those that do support me, I want to say may the Lord Almighty bless you all for supporting me. I love you all. See you next on my next video. Bye-bye.
Some of my fans, you people does not follow other people, and you always want to be bringing suggestion where they are not they like. So for that reason, let me come and play the fakeness of this audio. Of this year, my baba for una, so that now year and way. How are you? Good morning. Share the video if you are watching. Juju, where they swear for themselves. Not be juju. It's a fear of, make una listen well. To cover shame and disgrace. Because of, say, the person where she lie on top of her head for Facebook will be a family member. That one don't go swear for her head. Instead of her to do the right thing, to say, come wait till you talk for my body, or wait till I talk for your body in a bad thing. No verse. Please forgive me. Oh, thank you. Thank you. Wow, it smell good. Wait till I talk for your body in a bad thing. It's not good. No verse. People, they laugh for Facebook. For you to know the fakeness, he never even do it when I talk. For say as CSA. When they mean now he die, I know. We don't know ourselves. Now, if we not the expect and we don't know me, no. So I want to play the fakeness for una. Me una listen to her. Me una self where they follow me no say, me where be Rita not be because of this a ma baba. And they do what I not supposed to. I don't pass this level. I don't pass this level because area ya tiebo. This juju, me una listen you to where they swear fake juju. The generator of every saga of Facebook, na go carry on. The fueler of every saga on Facebook, na go swear this one. The where they Facebook, na go carry this one. The liar of the biggest order where they social media, na go do this one. Gbeme we 310 years no. Fo. Umaya tie boy yo say nia, no make na lie Facebook re. You still go do this mama kwe go put for grand. Instead of you to just do the right thing the way it's supposed to be now, where it never be. Umay where you were not not by your Facebook, you go they carry this fakeness, go content to deceive people, want to cover people while like this. For a lot of way. So my people more and listen again.
I am your mom, and no retired. Atuari, Bena, where Atuari or Hevo, when I get your ballet. Yeah, I'm wearing one. Atuari got me Hevo. Bueno, Guna or Maso Gunarali, O Mujanoya Kakayo. Oh, my Hevo.
Atuari. This, me I talking for English. He say, wait till Rita. A Norvega set talk for Atuari body. Say he get hand. Where he follow them go to my mother house. If that thing are really true, make Ogun stand for her. Make it take talk. Make Ogun take expose her. They not swear putu. Una way they hear bene until una they listen. Una way they call my phone for a mama say and a ma baba till una they listen. They never swear. If to say he get hand for inside, make Ogun khayo, meaning make Ogun talk, make Ogun find them out. But he not talk, he not swear. They not be swear. Now that Joshua with this, so let me play for that. Listen, you.
Aye mi omo, e no ga se no Rita ya. E no side atuari bena we atuari ohebo bena ya je. Bena ya yo gbalegbe. Ye amweri yan wa ni. Atuari ga je yebo. Bueno, guna rale. O mujano ya kakayo. O maebo, uwe mujano ya zoro ne.
Na yara, if you really know for inside, mudiane ya kakayo, meaning you go talk puto ogun. If you really know one, no two, you will talk puto. If you don't know anyone, no two, you will give and pad that may robo. Na juju de swear, so I hope una dey listen. Not be say, if you really get hand for inside, make this juju destroy a generation. Make it destroy a household. If he not let hand do, he put hand for person hand. Make the juju destroy and also beneath the cause. Omagu the way they tell do as una when ujayo ma bo. Ule we ve koko bobo in any way. You get hand for inside in any way. Make this juju come meet the person. Not be so the taste where now. He say if he get hand for inside, make the juju find that mat. If he not get hand for inside, make the juju give and pad that rob. That was the place when I stopped. Now be that one. You want start from beginning?
Oh, mo bai. Aga oge ayi mi mo no Rita re ba mo bai. Atuari. Oh, mo dia no ya kakayo be Rita. Aga ya no ta. Atuari na gele ga won bobe. E won gbalegbe na ya mo e. Eje aye mi omo no ya fe no Rita ya kan. Atuari ga won bobo. E won gbalegbe na ya mo ira ri je wo wa. Ya.
The cotton. That place, the cotton come out. Now they listen. Mamma mia, the water subito. Oh, wow, the beat is going to continue. Listen, yo. If he get her for inside, or gele amon bobo, they not swear put the cut that one come out. Like that they for cotton. They not swear put to. If he really get hand for inside, una we get that video, me una go play am. Sit down attentively if you be Benin person. If he really get hand for inside, they cut that place come out. May I play in full, make una listen. Now I came with the do.
Atuari na gele ga won bobe. E won gbalegbe na ya mo e. Eje aye mi omo.
Callers, me una dey wait.
Ga won bobo. E won gbalegbe na ya mo ira ri je wo wa. Ya. Ola oge. Omo na mo ba. Atuari.
Ogele amon bobo. Keep the cotton. Nothing they there. They not talk for there. But they can say if to say na lie, na Rita come put for her head. They can carry Rita their own picture. This man hold his own daughter, his first daughter picture. Your line they show juju. Make the dream this juju. May una listen you. I want you people to go and watch this video again. Don't get intimidated by anything to go and rub your hands in things you are not supposed to rub your hands. These are the people that will first of all sit down. With their hand want to reach your body. They go do divination and they will want you to stain your hand because of this nonsense. This nonsense conspiracy where they do for you. Then you go and stain your hand with all this fakeness and the mababa of the highest order. Are you people listening? Mona listen again. You not get where she for use juju take talk say, if I really get hand for inside, I'm spotting the spot now. Make this juju destroy her. Make he kill her. If to say he not let her do, she give her to person in any way, may yep and do her. Make this juju destroy her. There was nothing like that. He just say, make juju find her mouth if she is really guilty. If she not guilty, make juju give her pardon, make she wrong. Then, if to say she get hand for inside, they cut that place come out. Then if Rita clear hand for inside, they carry their picture. They carry and face Juju say you will come the you go their pikin go come the dream see Juju. Why not dream see Juju tonight? I go sit down. Now so now na take use bribery and corruption to spoil Benin, na spoil everywhere. We not they believe in Ike. Can you imagine? I they come for that Juju man. Me I fed spot for difference. So me I play and finish. Me I not talk for inside. Me I start time for the beginning until talk finish. I not talk for inside. More and listen.
Aye mi omo, eno ga se no retire. No side atuari bena we atuari ohenwo bena ya je bena ya yo gbalegbe ye amweri yen wa ni atuari ga je yenwo bueno guna o kan so guna rale o mu no ya kakayo o ma ewo o we mu no ya zoro ne o ga o go mu bai okay, I me mo no yer tare ba mo ba.
Even the man don't know what you want to talk Rita for paper.
Atuari. Ara. O we mo dia no ya kaka yo be. Rita. Ara ya mata. O kwa so ka bo. Atuari na gele ga won bo be. Wọ́n gbalẹ̀gbẹ̀ náà yà mú ẹ̀. Ẹ àyè mí ọmọ ìnáwó afẹ́ ìnáwó retire rẹ̀ kan. Atọ́ àríga àwọn bọ̀wọ́ wọ́n gbalẹ̀gbẹ̀ náà yà mú ẹ̀ rárí yẹ̀ wò wá.
They cut that place. Ọ̀gá ògè.
Ọmọ náà mú bá atọ́ àrí. Ọmọ náà wẹ̀ bọ̀ náà. Ó kí n ga mi nà mí.
Okay, bono hega minamie.
Ya mata no ge no sai, bekine ba to ari, o minamie boropa.
Mata uminamie boropa. Baba via di mote subito. Ka. Gay, si abu wa no embo no ria doa. No rie bragi go bibi bieka. Why you etoria, why so ani papa na why ya amu embo be. Ye ku wa keke be mo ba bi ele. Afeko, ase moja ibifo. Ikiekwa. Hello. Ije gbebu. Ire la video. La oje ti yo baba na mo. E cassette na do fin. E madame e cassette na fo. If they even check for math, na paper, na he write photo. Not be person where he do something call make that they hear his voice make it they say ugagele amo bo with police na ya amuje no ye bossing any gbe. O ma any gbe o. As we they talk so, the only just talk say if you really get her for inside, make Juju find them out. If you not get her for inside, make Juju give her that robe. Then if to say you not get her for inside for the second one, they cut that place come out we not hear her. If Rita now let Rita come talk, they carry their pikin, their first daughter picture. Make Rita the dream di Juju. Make the dream see Juju wari oho. Gbava pay madam avec be webo. Yasa, ina me vembo gbava. Abo la wa gbe. Waye makomago ya mwedoria. Eni wa no ria ne wa mai mi ya doleji wa do wa think wa ti mo ko ma be ria no ya dole no ria you fake Juju. Somebody say I don't fall for ground. May you listen to Emma Baba. If I give her a name, you will believe me. Na Imababa na Ibe. Now this is the biggest Imababa of the highest order. In short, Edo movie not even the interesting rich like this. Oh, I got to Ariatiebo. For all the Oluku Mayo we don't do for social media. Because she wants me another person they behave like her. Because we feel unfold down. Say Eriuje on her book you lay to temani amwe book big. I have to tell you one thing Atuari for you to know I'm not your mate. I not be your mate too. You are wearing anything. If you feel they do nyaka for social media, they carry they jump, go up, they do everything. You feel enter social media before me. But my wisdom and your own is not the same thing. You understand me now? I'm a bug big. Very confused set of animals. May I play again from the beginning? I know talk put wawa down me awful.
Aye mi omo, Anoda gas no Rita ya. No side atuari bena we atuari ohebo bena ya je bena ya yo gbalegbe ye amweri yen wa ni atuari ga je yen wo bueno guna so guna rale o mu no ya kakayo o ma ebo o be mu no ya zoro de o ga o go mu bai aga oge ayi mi mo no yer tare ba mu bai atuari ara o be mu no ya kakayo be Rita o ga ya ma mu no atuari na gele ga won bobe won gbalegbe na ya mo eje aye mi omo no ya fe no Rita ya kan atuari ga won bowo won gbalegbe na ya mo ra ri je bo wa ya ora oge ọmọ na mo ba atuari ọmọ na we bona o hin ga mi na mi na mi ora ye won ta no ge no ta de kini ba atuari o mi na mi boro pa to ko pa no ga oge no we no ya mo eli ya we no ya wo amo wo ya mo atuari ni ya we de bona hin ga mi na mi de bona o hin ga mi na mi o we o de mi o e ta ro ga ji Ataro do table.
They slaughter their picking now. They slaughter their picking here now.
Okparo wo ne ato arere egwe na. Ogwa so gwa bara le ne bono ri. O we ne amu bae odo si. Oga o ya gele mu bae o ma ya ni mo we ni ba ori ogbele zo bi an.
O ni amu bae odo si. The lie wey dem put for her head na she can't deny. How she take deny am? E pa ya sin me negbe. Wa make no na set sin me negbe wana. Una see where for sin negbe wana. I say you get hand for wetin they carry. Go to arrest my mama for ask me you can't rubbish am for Facebook. It's your plan work. I'm repeating it. Why you sin negbe? Mwe bono talk gbegbo ya. Aga gele mi get Rita bawe. Then go you go swear for years say umugbegbe umugbegio wawe umugbe dagmon we the way osazete swear you ne bona gbo saze no mi osaze mi no jaye se oga gele on pa enva where is your own when you reach the place where you want swear for a body they cut her command don't magi on pa enva they carry their pikin picture make the dream see this you may not be here maybe even na gomomo yori ya have even na gomomo we dagmon because obu wa ma clean. So the reason why I don't want me some of them they call my phone because of this nonsense. They tell me say now say you get class juju. You people should just know how to read in between the lines. This one not be school exam now, not to talk of say we won't fail. This one is just you are seeing something on the ground, you are seeing video, you are seeing manipulations on air, you are seeing people just giving people money. Say why we na e baba we na why geleti ejo why ti gime why we na mo na not cause like this so. Mona not cause and swear for me because me I don't want me be say because my hand they inside do. I get am for inside, not just want me when I talk that side go my side. May take fear. May people talk see they talk am for Facebook say they don't swear for her. Katama we now we no allow. Before you they do nonsense they think am. May I play Osaze Juju for you? This your own when I play so may I play Osaze Juju one. May I tell you how they take the swear Juju so that you will go back again go swear. Because you get hand for inside. You are the masterminder. It is your plan work. You do one and you use and do the saga because you want to use and build your page. Me and you, who go feed each other, we go see her. Not be all this your mago. May I play Osaze when you listen, my people. More na listen to how they take the swear juju. The right way of swearing juju. Listen, una come compare this atuari mago juju. €50. Listen. I don't know who be your mate where they follow they do a Irano semi matter for all this kind of nonsense. They won't have a bag manager. We die in safe. Me I go find her. Are you imagine? Mona listen to her they take the swear juju. Listen.
As I said, the pool life for you. I said, be carried after I read mama a coffee. He said, now I can't go to
Ogbo Saze, Nayera. If Saze get hard for inside, this one of Saze family way this way so. Ogbo Saze, pure conscience. This is how they swear juju. When your conscience is pure. When it's nothing inside manipulation, when you know what you are doing, when your conscience is very free, you really know that what you are saying is true. This is how you swear. This is how you swear. Mona listen. Ogbo Saze. Even the person where they swear, where he represent Osaze, on a see voice. Ogai yongele mweni ati eni adie Facebook. Udele. Uyagbo Saze dineimi. Now so they test well Osaze. Now this one we tell and say, may they go copy this one. Why here you have when mona legbe. Why mujaya weboni? Your own voice go dey here. Or your person voice, not be the one where the Juma they talk. Person where God represents you where you say na your family member. He go stand, he go come and say, Obiye ki akpolo na abi. Na mi biye ki akpolo pikin. O geni ya bera me na. Oga o what yejo. Then he go still come out again say, if I to get hand for Rita mama where they go. Or ma gie wana gele mu yoma bo. For any way she's connected to the thing where it happen. Ebona igbatuari. Before they go come say, Rita where you put life for your head, if not lie, they will swear for Rita. Now so they take the swear. All this mago, we don't pass this level. Magbera Vane, we are more than this. Mona see the way they test where I my baba where she go do Mona listen.
Aí meu irmão, eu não é graça, não é retaiado. E não sabe atuari, bena, ué atuari onevo, bena ya je, bena ya yo baligbi, je amuerinho, wani je. Atuari gajinevo. Bueno, gunarali, o mujano ya kakayo.
Mujano ya.
O maevo. Owe mujano ya zoro ne.
O maevo mujano zoro ne gbe.
Oga o mu bai.
Abi mu.
Aga oge ayi mi mo no yerta ba mu bai. Atuari. Ara. Owe mujano ya kakayo gbe Rita. Oga ya mata mujano ya. Atuari na gele ga won bobe e won gbalegbe na ya mu eje aye mi omo no ya fe no ye retire kan atuari ga won bowo e won gbalegbe na ya mu ra ri je bo wa ya
the cutter
oge e omo na mu ba atuari
the cutter ko se ga oge
ọmọ náà wẹ̀ bọ̀ náà ẹ̀ ó kí n gàmí nà mí.
Ọ̀gá ò rẹ̀ bọ̀ náà wẹ̀ gàmí nà mí wí àtúwárí yòó.
Ọ̀gá yẹ wọn sànú rẹ̀ ló tẹ́ Bekine bato ari.
Umi na mie bona.
Borofa.
Oga o ta kire bato ari umi na mie bo.
Ya wonu ya wo amowo ya mwe. Ato ari ni ya. Wedere bona.
Ba ya love ye.
Bona.
Ave mosu.
Bona hera mi na mie de. Bona o hera mi na. Owe wo gbe mi o. Beta ro ya.
Bona ha mi gba no we gbe mi o. Me no ye ba bo fa. Wa ge so Facebook wa so.
Ataro do chebo. Okparo wone ato arere buena. Waso wa vara le bonori. Oge ni amu bae odosin.
Odosin o ya si.
Oga oge ya gele mu bae wa ya ni mo oge ni bae ori ogbele zo bi.
Ah?
Ya isa gen adolo. Gege isa gen aka we gbe. Oga oge ayi mi omo no re ase no ye retire lo. Oga ogo mu bae ato ari. Gege isa gen aka we gbe. Ya
Gege sagion aka ve gbe. Oga to aribu. Esagion wo aka ve gbo wo pa.
Isa gen dolo. Gege ye no gbe aso mu dai. Ye mi e gbe.
Why ya si?
Gege be oge. Ye no time ata no o ezoro na gbe o.
Da o be so ru na gbe o. Na e mata no.
Hola. Ara le ne bonorio, le bonoto. Waso gbe gege.
Vieto.
Ba gonu ya kwa lo se na ga mi e mata no ro. No ze ba gbe bo. Gege. Mo lo ye. Ege mi we ya na lo wa e. Ege mi we ya we. Awa no pa gbe gege. Ọ̀rá ọ̀rọ̀ táyẹ̀ atọ́ àrẹ̀gbé àyẹ̀wẹ̀ Rita ya pẹ̀lú èèmọ̀.
Oga o go tire to aregbe. There matter we no wo. So my people now this one now you come expose for now. I came to expose this for Rita people because of una way no maybe una not listen now come they tell me una. This one is old story, a stage juju. If me one stage this kind of thing, no they pass €100. I go stage jam, but I don't have time for drama like this. I'm not a drama dog in the public. I don't do dramas. I don't do an eyesore like this just to dramatize for people to see. When I know that the whole thing will come back to the nine. Nana me woman genuine. I will never put my hand. I know the do one. And I don't do it because of say I want people to see it. I do it because I want to do it. I don't need to showcase it to anyone. So you see this one. When you reach the place where you want to swear for yourself, they cut him. So me no way get that video. Me no go watch it again. Why beg ke don't see him nigbe o. You got gele on pa eva. If I really know one, know two. Emi ni azeba me na. E bona no to na. Wa gbin ba na wa gbin ya be. U ga gbin yon mo ga gbin mi ni yemi. Aga imi ki yen ma be. U ga gba ma no mu ba yen u ga gbe owa. U ga gbe igi owa. O ma gi yen u yen gbe ni yen mu eyo ma bo. Aga mi ga obi yon ro tin yen lo to mu eyo ma bo. O tie bo yiri atie bo ya tie ebe atu are. If you cause am like that, Facebook people go recognize them. You see all this stage mama say we una the carry come they run up and down. E say why is a mwezo. Because the person who na want me run like una no go run like una but he go dey beat una dey go. I wait rather where they dey for you pay your we might see en igbo e. O might see en igbo e. They even talk and say I even tell you say na you na be the masterminder. O ma see en igbo, ma ye boss en igbo you go dramatize for our web. Come out, come sit down, come carry am up. Now this one you want make people they follow you they talk. So now so it be my people. Now this one now I can showcase for now we be. Una we be Ritotarian say me not see anything for inside though. I only saw stage. That osaze course na because. Oga agbo saze variana agbe variave agigile mi go mon bobo. Na give mon bobo. Oga gbatuari. The way they take swear. If you don't go swear this one like that. Uga mon bobo o magwe una mujo mabo. Venu wamana tioni the Facebook is so far why is 3,000 years. Because we so we not worry. Enini guwe u mujo mabo. So wa hia tie bo we riwa ya tie in Facebook ana mi we. Who tie the other way? No. Facebook no go carry. You go swear on the way Osazete swear you. Now make Osaze will be bally where people take am for Facebook. This thing where they put for my head so. Say I get hand for inside. Not be say if I get hand for inside, Juju go find out. I want to find out. Juju where you go use money to go give. Now you want find out. Juju where they drink a beer. I bet juju where they bash up go give. I bet take go. They will bash up go give my power one on agmeno ye be even o paper they count am for hand like a omomo. A picture no die we ba ni ban ho we no di no. Ogo we no go give her. Inu emo no biele ya fe yan ro hu picture ni. Iwe amina mi ebo ba so yan amina mi ebo ba van. Emi no wa yan ka gbelu wa ga demo aworo aye. U ga demo aworo e awe bo we no mama. U ga demo aworo awe bi mama se no mukia. U ga demo aworo awe bo no mama no mukia. Or less do na inu nu me. Una gele yenge mata no na tie so na mo ebo gbatware ni mabegi. Dog le mo bobo. U ma mo ebo gbe dog le mo bobo. Una tie no mo no o ma be bie. U ho ma be no mana inu nu ebo ga gbo ga gbigi o wawe. O ga gbele moju wa o gbele mi nu me ya fe. O gbele ya fo do gbele ya la dia. First generation o gbo wa fe second generation. E pane banon de baro de beji. No ga akanta e ban me na go vie kidagati. Nwe me ni tana pe we bo ga gbo e. E bo ga de yo wa o. O ga de yo we gi o wa. O ga gbo generation. O ya gbo la dia bari abe. Nwe me ni tana e pa. E nu e o ga gbo e. E brabi nu e tornado o ga gbo e. U ga junje e mebo. U ga ka o ne bo we. We are you fuane na amwefu ane do wonya bo ni akpolo bo wenya we bi din eri okin aje no e bi ni Jesus Christ no mi wa fa de no gbe na betin Jesus keke betin tornado keke betin ba e wa ni dia wa e do ya tama we bu na we bo wo ga gbo e bra bo ga gbo e wa zeri e bra bu de mu awru hu ba bi e mi ne bra bi ga wo we ni hi we ni tama we na me na ye mi mo tai we bra bo ga gbo e egiri e bra bi ya amu ni gu enu ta gwalo to ese uma gwalo to ese wa hia tie bo se sisu ma gwalo to e ba ya tie sien legbe unu ta we minu we gele mure na e mata no a we gele mo bo bi kina ya arrest je a o magu e u mujo ma bo a because ri aya tie bo jo do magu e u na mujo ma bo u gele mo bo yo to a record e u tie bi na ya tie o magu e u mujo ma bo be koko mu yo ma bo bazagba we na gu e gwalije se ke no je u deleti ebo yo we bege ebe na ebe ri we pa ebo wo ga gbo emi nu yo bo we si kokko ga gbo ga si we la imi u ga kawe imi ni ra me bi jeme ven we ya gwan ba ni yen egun yon gisera me bi jeme u ga kawe imi ni ya me de no gbe na be ni Jesus Christ no mi wa fa emi ne bo we yon ga gbo ebo nu di unu we ya tie na no la de o ga gbele mo ya fe no me yo a o we ni Jesus Christ no mi wa fa ibu we ga mi na mi ebo wa so ya ga mi na mi ebo wa fa be ni Jesus Christ no mi wa fa ayo yo wa ga hin wa so wa hi obi egbe wa ga hi obi egbe ma ni mo ebo gwe na ya bi ari gogo ya hospital ya gba o ge diabetes ba hypertension eri o hin aje nu epa ugbe be ni Jesus Christ no mi wa fa u ga tie ebo no ma ba mo gbogbo wa u ba o ga bu dele na dere no se na ma na ti mo ebo gbin ya o ewe iya tie ese iya na tie ebe no keke nu we tie na magba unari hu wie robe unari ye yukbe nu we na ye tari ho nu we ta blab we boni o ga gbo epa wa kawe imi ne bo we ebi mama se o ga gbo e u ga kawe imi ne bo we bo o ga gbele moju wa o e me no kunu e la dia ga si o la imi wa kawe imi ni ra me bi jeme wa kawe imi la ni ra me bi jeme eri o ga je nu e ni Jesus Christ no mi wa fa wa go me fi video na nu ware ge pa na ne yo wa no tie boni we o ma tie ise I ga e we aba oge bu wi ari yasin ne we sien ne go ma gele on pa enfa we gele ta we if you really know one know two going out to gym. All right. If you really know one, know two for this juju, ugbe, umugbe, eri ayati ebo, ibueva, sisa uwema soepa, ureba. Evi na wa mama se anareva na vie bola wa na vie boni mona bie, ve na yati e nakina. So aba meme ni re Facebook ne, e lunatic ni gwalige Facebook ne, ni juhwe robe ya fe. Or Bushline. Okay, somebody say Mona share made the juju for rich of Bushline. Mona they share my people. Now let that one out. Do Mona share. And Mona also cut this place come out. Umatia is sepa because me no be your kind to do ama we na ngunu we because our gbon ugegbe. O ma la o ma la ho or go nowhere. E bonu tie so o wa we no na tie no da kokko no gbeyun we wo be ri we ku we ko ha. So be nu wa be yare kokko ni keke be we mi ya nu wa gbe ba na ede ri wa ya ka we mi wa ke boni. Wa iwu na ikunu wa gawo wa ba pole ado e nya wa bi din. Wa ya lo we labe. Wa lo dokpa. Be ni Jesus Christ no me. Dey to we tie se ban ya me problem. Me la dian dogu we gun aveni ana. But si sumati e so we bra boga gele gbo ewu. U ga ka we imi ne bo we. E ma ya ni mu bi mama se nu etie. Wa ya fe wa ahun mi ame no. E mi ame no we gbe wa ahun mi ko sumati e se. Wa iri agmari abe if you want to swear juju, una gele ga won bodu una ri agmari abe una mi a o ya re ma na bia ko imi la imi pa. Wa hia tie bo u total tie se. When ni tama we na. Ebonu wetie ibokpa tie so for that reason if wo mo ebogbe Omo we nu bi mo ebogbe mo nu ye ki awo bi mo ebogbe. Owo kan mo ebogbe gi owa wo mo ebogbe. Allow that we gbe ro that mo wa kawe emi ne bonuga. We need Jesus Christ no me wafa. We need Jesus. E me yati ebogi me. Somebody say teach him his work. Who wa kawe emi ne bonuga o. There too we wa mo ebona yo to bana you just put this juju for ground. You just swear and say if going fitness all right. I'll join you guys soon. You just cause and where say you see this thing where atwari nu ndamure. If to say you get hand for inside, you really know you go swear for her. You will say put your hand, call your voice, put for inside swear. When bana e mwe bok benina, even mwe bok benya what you say for re. If they want carry and come out, they'll carry and come out for Facebook. If they don't want carry and come out, they'll put them for inside the ass. This Facebook money where they give you so, you know how many people tears they follow that money they go. You will sit down for their way be a part they swear the juju. You know how many people tears they follow that money where they give you. How many reputation has been destroyed on top of that money they give you to take the swear. You know how many. You know how many people pain where they follow that money where they give you say partake. You know how many. So for that reason, waka we mi ne bo we moga kulojuwa o. Moga muli wega mi na mi ebo wa sonya mi na mi ebo wa van. Eboga gbuepa. Kowa lori ani himba ogun aba mabega o eboga gbue. We na mabega o we camera ni rag mo we gbebega o we yemi no. Mo ga kawe mi ne bonu gabe ni Jesus Christ no mi wafa. Beti Jesus ne gbe me gabe ti Jesus salubo ni mamwe tinya. Wa kawe mi ne bo we ni Jesus Christ no mi wafa. U ga dun ri saloto. Unwo ya hiyo o gebe brabi no we kine gbebo. Ikinegbe kesi no mike no kede o mave no si no we wa ajun ki we wa kawe mi ne bo wa gapole ebo we nya we be na riku be de agbe ni Jesus Christ no mi wafa a pole so yo to amu nya we gbe pole no ke nya ha mai to ale mi la mi nda we umae the right thing to do for yourself be ni Jesus Christ no mi wafa wa mi na mi ebo wa so wa mi na mi ebo wa van e pishon ru ye yu hu e ba ya hin pishon we no dion e ya hin pishon we no gbo give abo hu e ya nya pishon ni we aga mi na mi ebo wa so mi na mi van koge ibi atuari no do toge mawe egbo ebo wa egi o wa ya fefe wara we bo ni da mama mi ne bo ebiye u ga gwima gwa mi no di mama de me do togu we mawe mai ta yo egbe u ga igbo wa yu lo na aru le mu hian na so hian mai ka mawe we mi nu won ga gbo we nda ebugi tu putu ge we ba bi no re wo gbe we so ebi no re yan so ga gbo e pa sisi go re yan we se ni ebi o re yan we se nu ya toge ebi nu re yan so ga gbo e o ebi no re yan we so ga gbo e nda ebu putu gbe we ba bi no re wo gbe we Ebra bi no re we se to e dog agbo to e dog as oga hin we ko o to e ken no to e dog as ren you egbe pa bi na me we uman mata yata u ga en ni tana una bege e video ni una u do gwa lo me ro do je gwe do ha ma me wa ye me mo sorry e manipulation igo ni ari mo si e gbagmo na oko le no mana do yin ya me nu ha ma me wa ye me mo sorry u ga demo a oru e bo ni afieru gi wo ga gbo yi hu e bo nu ga ni Jesus Christ no me wafa afieru gu wo ga gbo wa se kia we yakinekun we need Jesus Christ no mi wafa. U ga shake ya we yakinekun. Won me nita na pa because eri o yasu no mate e bo ni se. A o we ma so e. A o we ma na so e be na yate e bo. U ga mu gbono na do na gele on pa enfa. U mu gbe no pa de to ba o ri. Sisi we magi we veri o. U magi we veri o. Wo dawe ni ka, wo dawe diendo. U na te e bo no ma gba e bo wo ga gbo e wa ka o ne bo. We mi no sunu da ya ni te e bo dan we gwa ba ga sunu dawe. U ga lese bo we ayi wo gwa u ga le hian. We need Jesus Christ no mi wafa. So that is it, my people. He said they're not they feel confused us again. Be mama say I tear you Facebook what but no magba the whole world people go see and when they see and they'll tell you say come on enter house. Which kind of be this who now want intimidate? Who now want intimidate? Why am I know me no rule where people don't put for your head? This one not by way not by way after you when not by way area go do one bon ala bon we bo na bon we bo no pa now if I sit down for here I call when my bo just na mo wo be election here I want bo ni ma ye primary one have election here have time here by way e pa write for paper talk where is the family member where you say now they go swear why we not hear their voice for there which family member one go swear when they watch you for Facebook you start to dey insult another person mama they sleep in arwa o hun ya social media na we not sit there for that the only person wey dey hear for a voice say ni odo tiebo Advare de table. Ona to yasin egbo masien egbo ugbo egbe ya mo ebo gbegbo na mo gbigi o wa we because area ya tiebo. Wa onu tie ise wa hiasien egbo ka we. Aga gele mi dan. Igu we na to ari ndan no we ki apolo. Una opa en va ve bona. Le mi ya ni yas muju egbe na. e bona ga gbu o wa ga gbu o do ga lawe ki o wa la di ga lawe ki ni la di ga gbu o hun ga gbe mi ya no me no le gawe ve nu mana pa eva a je mi mo na be bawe u be mu gbe o e boy gbase yo kukuse yo on you e bo not be this a ma baba we una go dramatize come for Benin Center oh agagele mi go ma pa eva skipper me I play an game before I go ma baba agbeluwa Nigeria movie theater why they be do industry no wa ate movie me we know say una just abi movie we even wari enere e wa setiri ari enu wa ka hero wa wulo
Aye mi omo e no ga se no Rita ya e no sabe atuari bena we atuari ohebo bena ya je bena ya yo gbalegbe ye amweri yen wa ni atuari ga je yebo bueno oguna rale o mujano ya kakayo o ma yebo o be mujano ya zoro ne oga o mu bai aga oge ayi mi mo no Rita ba mu bai atuari ara o be mujano ya kakayo be Rita oga ya ta atuari na gele ga won bobe e won gbalegbe na ya mo eje aye mi omo
I no believe this person
no Rita ya kan atuari ga won bowo e won gbalegbe na ya mo ra ri je bo wa ya ora oge e omo na mo ba atuari ọmọ na oge bona e o ki ga mi na mi o ga ye ma ta no ge no ta ki ne gba to ari o mi na mi boro pa to ko pa no ga oge no we no ya mo eli ya we no ya
o ga mata no mi na mi borokpa e pa ogbanu we a abi uwe ka me before ya kemu we ari awe boni a ogbanu o ga mata no mi na mi borokpa o ga mata no ne boni ya gbe no gbe igi wa no gbe mo no gbe le mi ya no me won na hun bonu we ti e bo gbo abi tu de mu de mu awru e bo abola we gbe abi tu lo de ne bo we le eri wa ya ti e bo we wonu kede o ga e mata no o mi na mi e bo ni ba bola we gbe inu wa gbadu e ke stage e bo na imani re we bo wenu kpu ni ya gbira we wonu kpu ni egbe we bo de vai wo awu hun e bo we a do manu ye bo ya guku na egbe mana oho yi abola we gbe ri wa ti e bo we wonu kere abi tu sun wu hun e bo no jo sevedo wọ́n lọ wùwẹ̀ yìí táwọn náà yìí wáyé.
owó ẹ̀wọ̀n gbalẹ̀gbẹ̀ náà yà mú ẹ̀rọ àríyé wò wá. ọ̀rọ̀ àwòrè ẹ̀rọ ọmọ náà mú báyìí àtọ̀ àrí. ọmọ náà wẹ̀ bọ̀ náà ẹ̀rọ kì í ga mi nàní ẹ̀rọ kì í ga mi nàní. ọ̀rọ̀ àwẹ̀ ẹ̀wọ̀n sànú rẹ̀ nù táyà ìkíni gbàtọ̀ àrí omi náà mi bọ̀rọ̀ pa. Tukọ pano ga oge no wenu ya mo eli ya wenu ya wo amowo ya mo ato ari ni ya we de bona
okay ya finish dagmo we pa wa mi na mi ebo wo ga gbo e ni we gbe ti o be nu e ke la wa won me ni kai na iwe bo wo ga gbo e bi mama so ga bo e bra bo ga gbo e bra bo ga gbo e bu wa hin gbo ni san ohun ebo no ti ebo ni gbe ma ho na igo agbo ni san keke no ayari dai o lesu bumi adodo yin mi amuta ma me waye mi mu la agogo nerum me wo na hin mu if not wari agmori abe wa na mu wela wari wu hin mu amwela wani wa emaniro wani anne no je toilet ya kpoto yan ize kpoto awe na mwela dian wo na koso na mwe bogbe na ya no sin lai manana won me ni tamawe na e bra bo ga gbo e o so mama mi awa we gbe ya tie ese e ya tie bo wa hin tie someone say the man dey drunk na drink the warrior be me I follow my husband go gym majare me I finish this me I go do my sport go cause am well aba tension seeker no si lokin anori go Facebook na mi we Facebook wo gbera mu nere na ta lo 24 hours Tala. After the doctor came, when they finish, they'll call give you 50 euro. No, ya tie bona. Ya boni san. Tamu wa on dunu wa yagme. Why? E pa de mobile data ye phone. No give no sunu be webu. No me na iga mo bogbe mo no bie won. Wa the mobile data always dia where ibi me una dey buy mobile data for me. If you do say na once 2 weeks, me I take the enter Facebook, me I dey see wetin dey happen. O e boy ya fe ni mi na ka be doni. Unless when ya mai gwe na ke mwere, nuna ya avembo nani ya. Because e ma ya na wi ya ran ebe do. Ate ni atu ariba we borokpa na hawa ado tie. Ba atu ari ne, unu egbe nonje dojo rebi, rami ribe na yede. Sewing machine ya do lukmo. O ma akari ya runda ya mwebok bigyo winye. So mwebok bigyo wa wene pa, winya do egbe imi u. Wa so do, wera no kwa do udo. Mao, because mwebok bigyo wa wene mugbe mo nubi ene. So ke denu tie bona pa mu, ivi wa ke mi na mi ebowe. Keke be ya to ari no we kakpolo no mugbe wo wa ga mi na mi ebowa o. Ini Jesu Kristi no mi wa. Fa ebowo ga gbe wa demo aruwa wo yu ebowe. Wa mi o de ya ka o ne ebowo ki eke ne ni Jesu Kristi no mi wa. O awu ne adokpo le bonya we bi din. Nda o mati ese wen ni tana. Wa ihono na ni tana u ladian. Wa ladian do tie be no heki. U mati e no heku ka ma we no do vie boya we bowe ni. U gba mi ni Rita wi yen me ni ta wo mo bobo. O ma gie wo na mu yo ma bo. Eri aya tie bo. U ga ere u wo we u mu yo ma bo u gie ma be koko gie ba sagba. Eri aya tie bo sisi we man nwinu we u gba many years ba we bo u wa mono ba ke kan man mi ni ajo we ba. U ma bo ya tie. A be gba lo to e ba na egba o me primary certificate. U ma lag mo fo, u ma giaje. U ma anything, nothing. Wa ge ya koki nwe ya no wa ro to e do wa ikoke ya de la he ya kina he je wa sile ya yikonpa. Wa sile ya yikonpa wa do agbe sange nya nwe ya constitute nonsense. O se o wa na ri to ami de wo wa afuede. Ami wete to se veneri meto se ufia hune long time we na we beri anu ene. So ran o apa anu gumenta mawe. Agmona aran wa. Me mo amere nu weje family me ma ke family o amere be ni ana. Ma ru legbera wa. O ma abu ma di toto na fin mai daji mai gba kon yo egbe mai ha mai we no so kian. O e no loga to arena. O nu ga be bona to ari vi o kian. Ba e be ni amu dele gbederio. Atie e be na ya tie. Iya na ta mai we. O saze ga mo bobo ne boni gbo saze. Ugwe ati ogwe mana uwe oga mo bobo umi na mi ebo o da mana iga mo bobo wa mi na mi epa ebo ga gwe wa mi na mi ebo ku we ke monu biele uwe ga mi na mi ebo wa so mi na mi ebo wa fa ebo ga gwe wo na temata wa lare bari abi wa di agmari ya wo le wo na temata re wo le wo na temata re e wo na temata wa ya mo la wa abi wa di agmo wo na temata we bele kwa ga na bio country where be say they no dey talk truth. Nation where they know they talk truth and village where they know they talk truth, now they go burn you. But ya be yera vije na mi amata wunu yanga bio corruption ga bioji. Wa ya gmori ya be. When ni tama we na. So e video ni una ka boy adam yo e. Uma yo ne me ya ni tama we na lelu eri agmo wa do figu o to wen bo no tie bo na udo imi ya. Udo kama me we Rita no ya yemi. Aye me mo no we no ya se la wo do neru me ni mi na ke mo wa ya gmori ya be. Ineru nu e. Ineru nu e. If not a Facebook unaje ba adwa ke donation you wo hu yen egu ma mwe fesi we la dia ba ko fesi we ni ma mi ma agbe para ne de agbese eri ati ebo won tama we na eri ati ebo because wetin you say you know for our but we mind me dokpa am we gugu no e bania u gwa gmo to awe ogme ni we bania gbo dro aga yi metebu wa kami we ni ya de mi ati enu mu ba data nu ya la Facebook nu abege mi no si nu wo nu mi ke na yin ke na meri no e wa de be do wa de destiny ma be because of ye ba fire ya na ye ba to send that return e igyo wa we ya ke no se ke no ra me gbe ni ma return no de ade na e bo wetie na la wo ya we na we say wa la yo ero wa idi yo san ye do o se gba be no sense e bo no wetie na si we la gwa bai ba we mi no si nu da we then na hute te ne gya bi abi ma o mani ya wo si nu da derio mama ni ahwe derio ni anwe ahwe biba then ahwe ri ahwe agwari ye were agbogi o yoru ahwe fo o saba we se gbe ma be nu wa beje na wa ti la egwe baba una see corruption for Nigeria we na go listen to that this thing we if una no say una wan analyze aga gele mi ego mo bobo the pause then I remember boy zoro no gba ata ma we ga ye mi mo gwale oru no ke body abo mi la wo wo wa ma ti mi no ya wa ma wa ti the data ye phone kekan na ya tie webu sabo agume gbogboro enu wagba sabo agume jo gboro enu zo oru na mi so da apo nisan oru na mi wa hwedo akpe na ya ye penti babo ga la we gbo wen bo ni gbe ma ho wen bo no wo ya ana wari yo no na gwe do wen bo gele hi mi nu hi mai ana be ye wo bo be na o mana o mozu ana de 100 euro nu emu ami O ame ma ame agboma gbe no good. O ame o gboma gbo yo ma yaka we mi name no keke. Ah, you just sit down, baby. You carry juju, you they swear juju. Any advent, but we no carry. No demo out we bonuga. See you all, my later, my people. Somebody say, please, English. I said the juju way is when I go kill him. Because not be so that they swear juju. He go for one money, bring on top of it juju. 1 more where they will go bury him. They will pack it juju, the dirty and his oboe, everything will follow and they will pack on top of him. He agree. Eh? Somebody said the juju man sound weak. Why not go sound weak? Do you know the meaning of guilty conscience? Guilty conscience is the first thing that will weaken you before your time. Guilty conscience is what will make you to be running from pillar to post. You'll be looking for solution. The time when they cause out to for this Facebook, say, "Well, like no lele." You mean, we joking no? It is a joke. Not be joke. Oh. They tell you say, here. Only the truth will set you free, nothing else. And you close your mouth against people. If you close your mouth about people, people will close their mouth about you. But if you say now, so your mouth go wide, they'll vadav with me another person now put my contact to you might request a video. This juju way too often and go so now go kill and go destroy our generation. So next time, if you want to swear juju, they swear on both ways. You will swear for the person where you carry con say if your hand is really clean, because that is the only way you will know whether that person is truthful or not. If they are willing to swear, if they are really free, that is a sign of a just and not guilty person. If they are willing to swear, if their hands are really clean, it's a sign that they are clean. To say, we go still swear for you, oh, if you really know one, know to make this juju destroy your generation, oh. When you reach there, una silent and una cut and come out, person don't know what those. When una they do all this drama for? Oh yeah, me una go meet Akobe. Me teach you how to do the Benin drama. Me una go they do drama. Yeah, illiterate people will not go pa marijuana and decrease. Thank you all people later. See you on the next show.
Cause I never wanna play happy families with you, but I like having you around. I'm fully